beautiful day.
If you laugh at every one of your puns.
I'm gonna have to try to like stay like I didn't say it kind of thing. And kind of keep it witty and keep it moving. And then they get it like a second or two behind after I say it. B, leave it or not, I think that'll work.
Guys, welcome back to Seven Deers Farms. It is a beautiful day out here. It's early September. We're gonna rock and get some honey today. Some of that nectar of the gods, some of that golden honey, golden sweet honey, and it's time to do it. We gotta stay and be productive. Not the prettiest back here, guys. You know what they say? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Ladies and gentlemen, Ryan, I know this is kind of crazy here in a big old bee suit, but I wanna, what was I gonna say there? Yeah. Say, Ryan, thank you for over there jumping in the bee suit in a nice hot day and being a good sport. Now we shouldn't get stung, but if you do, just beeline it back to the house. I got some more tobacco up there and everything. Put it on your little bee sting there and everything will be okay.
To be or not to be? That's the question. This is keeping's a semi-new adventure for me. We've only been doing it about 2 years, so believe me, I don't know really what I'm doing.
From the videos I've seen, they use a lot more smoke.
Yeah. They just ain't got the aura that I do, though.
You're not really smoking, though. You're kind of just puffing. Would you try heating that thing up a little bit more?
I don't want to beat your camera up too much here. Snoop Dogg for him right here. Relax him. Give him a little bit of the Snoop Dogg. Okay. I haven't messed with these guys in a while. Ooh, this is unbelievable. This is a good amount of honey. I like it a lot. Ooh. There's lots of wax in here holding this stuff together. There's a wasper over here trying to get some of this honey. You know what honeybees call a wasper? A wannabe.
Huh?
A wannabe. Oh, here we go. You ready for this, ladies and gentlemen? Ooh, I need to get that out of there. Oh, sheesh balls. I thought I would be ready. There we go.
Hey, Matt, take a video.
Look at that honey. I like it. They're gonna start getting a little rowdy. Need to hit them with some more of that Snoopy. Another cool fun fact about bees, they love to listen to music. Come out here and play them some music sometimes. Usually they like listening to the Bee Gees, or every now and then I'll turn on some Sting for them. They're getting pretty mad, and I probably shouldn't have yanked that one, but. I'll cut these caps over this thing here, so any bit of honey that falls back in here, we're gonna then reuse. There we go. Let's see if this old knife my boy Caden gave me do good. Oh man. Unbelievable. That golden nectar right there. The honey can come out. One in the spinner. These things wobble a lot, so. You could probably take it off if you wanted to. There ain't too many bees around here. Go ahead and sting my hand. He's wanting honey. A lot of these guys are just here to work. They ain't trying to sting you. That's when you get them pissed off. Crispy. Sir? I'm in at work here, sir. As long as you can go. As long as you can go. Say, this stuff it ain't all it's cracked up to be. And I sure ain't buzzed enough to do all this. Boom. But
it's like no conviction behind that one. Come on. Give it a little fanfare.
that's it. Not buzzed enough for this stuff. This stuff ain't even all it's cracked up to be. Almost done.
So the guy that comes out and harvests his own honey, does he use this?
He don't harvest honey yet, but he said, yeah, this is a 2, and you can get a 4 frame spinner. Like some guys would do is they'll take this thing off this thing, and they'll hook a drill up to it, and the drill just does kind of the spinning.
Why don't you do that?
Because I'm not a pussy. I like doing stuff the hard way.
Yeah, the mic's on your shirt. We can still hear you when you whisper.
I'm hard-headed. I don't know, maybe I could. Gives me exercise. It's like everything in farming. You could always make it easier, but part of the fun of it is the exercise. Whipped it out of there. Gotta fix these bad boys.
Frames are looking a little rough.
Yep. Here we go. Well, we've been waiting for to be chunky because we got a lot of the stuff in there, but it'll go through this filter and it'll go down there. We'll filter it twice. Had a good day wrapping up some of this honey stuff here. Honey bean will be soon on its way, but I said I've been giving y'all a little bit of bee knowledge all day. Let me give y'all a little bit of bee wisdom, you know, because the world's getting a little crazy out there and a little bit dicey, and no matter your bee leaves, I always just say, be the change you want to be in this world. What was I going to say after that? Be the change you want to believe, or be the change you want to be in this world. Believe in yourself, and know everything's gonna be okay. And if y'all ever need me, give me a buzz.